Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your Xbox completely. Now what most people like to do is hold the Xbox button and turn off console. That's one way, but it's not properly done. But what I like myself to do is go to settings by holding the Xbox button and go to the far right and go to settings. And from now it's in general. You go to power options and you see some energy saving that no one cares about, but there's one button that we're going to work with, and this is shutdown button. That's going to shut down your device completely, and from now on you just have to press a button and it's all done. There's no more to it. It's a very simple way to turn off your device very completely, and hope you guys found this helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.